Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we've been talking about the browser market share last week in some videos. And, we've been noticing that, of course, Google Chrome dominates. But there's an interesting editorial on Neowin where they are talking about why is it Chrome is still used, and even though we hear a lot of bad things, we hear about the tracking. We got to keep in mind that the people following me here are different from the people on everyday live computers. They know more, and that's why they might choose a different browser and not use Chrome. But for the majority of people, they need a browser, and what do? Well, since Chrome is what is being used a lot. People use Chrome. People will tell everybody else, "Oh, don't use this. Use Chrome." And they end up, well, I got a new PC. I'm going to install Chrome because that's what I was using before. Yet there are other browsers out there, and you might be thinking, why isn't there kind of a move to switch maybe to other browsers? And that article actually has an interesting take on the browser. Something that I haven't thought of, and then when I saw the article, actually, I was like, that is true. That it is maybe something that prevents people from choosing something else. You might notice that if you look at Google Chrome browser, and you look at your Google Chrome browser from 5 years ago, or from 10 years ago, kind of looks always the same. The buttons are pretty much always the same. There are very, very few changes in the browser's UI. So people install something and it's always the same. It always works in the same way, and people want to have, a quiet experience, something that you don't have to learn anything new. You don't have to change anything. People hate change. And it is true that of all the browsers, it's pretty much the only one that stays exactly static with very, very few changes anywhere. Have the same browser. You haven't used Chrome in 5 years and you'll be familiar. It's still the same. And you can't say that of the other browsers. Opera, Opera is like, I don't know how many changes in how many years, and they're trying to find their way. You have, Firefox that reinvented itself a few times. You also have Edge that's, they can't stop adding crap to it that we don't want. And people just get tired. Why is this new thing there? What is that new little thing there? What is that thing called Copilot or called chat or whatever? And there is a logic between this. It is true that the Chrome browser is one of the only browsers that don't change much, or at all, or almost all. There are some browsers like Brave. I know Brave kind of tries to keep itself in the same way, but they do have, these little updates to the user interface that does make it different from, a few years ago. I kind of think that, yeah, partly, not just because of that, but partly one of the reasons why Google Chrome is, not just dominant, it stays dominant. And of course, Google's huge efforts and huge amount of money to promote also probably helps a lot in there. What do you guys think? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.